There, welcome back to Kids and Teens. I am going to tell more about beetles. Over millions of years, beetle bodies have adapted to an amazing variety of lifestyles. The long legs of the tiger beetle help it run down prey over the sand dunes, while the giant horns of the rhinoceros beetle are used in fierce clashes with other males. Jewel beetles. These come in brilliant metallic colors, and their shiny wing cases are used to make jewelry and ornaments in parts of Asia. The striped love beetle's shell works like prism, giving a rainbow tint to its green coloring. Tiger beetles. Night hunters with bulging eyes, tiger beetles pursue their prey at speeds of up to 8 kph. They are also fast flyers. The beetles' long legs hold their bodies high above the hot sand of the desert habitat. Colorado potato beetles. Native to the southwestern United States, these beetles are one of the most destructive insect pests. They attack crops of potatoes, tomatoes, and aubergines. They are resistant to insecticides, but farmers can spray crops with a fungus that kills the beetles. Whirligig beetles. These water beetles spend much of their time swimming on the surface of ponds. To help them look out for prey, they have divided eyes, one half to watch under the water and the other to see above the surface. When they dive, they carry an air bubble down with them. Rhinoceros beetles. When female rhinoceros beetles are ready to mate, they give off a smell that brings males flying in. Rivals bob their heads in threat, then the head butting, livering, and tossing starts. The lasso is one that's knocked off its perch. Floor beetles. These insect pests feed on wheat and other cereals and cause costly damage if they infest a farmer's grain silo. Floor beetle young, known as mealworms, are raised commercially to feed pet reptiles and birds or to be used as fishing bait. Goliath beetles. Found in African tropical forest, Goliath beetles are 16 cm long and are among the world's largest insects. When fully grown, their larva weighs as much as 100 grams. Goliath beetles feed on plant sap and fruit. Blister beetles. All beetles are poisonous, but blister beetles are especially dangerous to horses and livestock. During summer, striped blister beetles swarm together to feed on alfalfa hay. A few of them cope down in a single clump of hay can be enough to kill a horse. Bread beetles, also known as biscuit beetles or drugstore beetles. These insect pests feed on a variety of foods. They have been known to eat bread, biscuits, pies, books, leather, and even medicines and drugs. Female bread beetles may lay as many as 75 eggs at a time. Christmas beetles. These crab beetles appear in large numbers around December when it is summer in their native Australia. Having two front legs of different lengths give them a better grip on the preferred food, eucalyptus leaves. Deathwatch beetles. Deep inside the timbers where they developed as larvae, adult deathwatch beetles call to each other at mating time by tapping their heads. This ticking sound gave the beetles their name. Dung beetles. These scrap beetles roll lumps of dung along the ground to form a ball. The beetles bury the dung ball in their burrow and lay their eggs inside. Why? Because dung is their young's favorite food. Sexton beetles. These scavengers feed on rotting animal flesh. They have special sensors that can sniff out the body of a dead mouse from more than 1 kilometer away. Bark beetles. When these pests bore to the wood of elm trees, they spread a fungus known as Dutch elm disease. The fungus has wiped out huge numbers of elms in Europe and North America. If you are interested in this video, do like and subscribe.